Let's learn AWS. Today, I will show you how to work with complex XML data structures within a SOAP service. One of my subscribers was using a SOAP module and faced an issue where inner complex structures of XML were not being described by the SOAP client. I will try to create a complex XML structure with lots of inner elements. For this, I use an XML file from internet and keep adding many inner elements. Then convert that to XSD. Then convert that XSD to WSDL. Focus of this video is on Node.js SOAP client. So I will create a SOAP service in IIB, but I will not discuss its implementation details. I test my SOAP service in Node.js. I see that client.describe method returns a JSON object with name of SOAP operation. Let's try and expand that object. When expanding the object, I can see all XML tags. I'm not able to reproduce the problem with this XML that I created. Here is a picture which shows the problem that my subscriber faced. Here it accepts a string parameter with name, user token. It also accepts a data type of merchant request. Now, what is this merchant request? That is unknown. Could this issue be due to the use of references in SOAP WSDL schema? Next, I wander GitHub repository to try and find a WSDL that can recreate this problem. This WSDL from ESHA repository shows data type for fields as yes:int and yes:string. This indicates namespace as yes. We are generally used to namespace XSD. That's not an issue. And we have not recreated our problem. I do not have the WSDL that caused the issue, but I have the input message structure as shown on screen. Notice that I have used multiple references and multiple namespaces such as com, art, so on. Let's see what effect these references have. Observe, input for validate is displayed as blank. This is strange. Now I have moved fields from com namespace and made them inline. This is why you can see user token and merchant request. Art namespace is still referenced field. That is why merchant request field is empty. We have finally achieved expected result, but the route taken was dirty. We have lost information about namespaces when we made all fields inline. We no longer have com namespace and art namespace. Let me know in comments if you know how to inform SOAP module to read multiple namespaces.